What is this amazing contraption? Go. Hey, check this out. I ordered some WSB, what are they? WSB 2812B, a strip of those, and they sent me this other strip, a 5-meter strip of these white LEDs. They're white. Oh, that's upside down, isn't it? But they're 12 volts, so you got a negative connector and a positive connector that you can solder to, just like they solder when they join these strips together. Okay, so 12 volt white things. I didn't know what to do with them. And then I finally realized, hey, this would help out a lot for making videos. Get some decent light instead of the yellow house light, you know. So I put them on this frame. See that? A lot of ugly black electrical tape. And then, let me get it focused. Okay, see, I had to solder. So here's a wire where I went from this cross strip here. I soldered there, and then I just brought it over here, put it onto this this other strip over here. So all the strips, okay, all the strips are hooked together all around. And so I think these strips of lights, 5 meters, cost, you know, $5 or $10 or something like that. So anyway, I put that all together, and then I got this, which is a dimmer, but it's a pulse width modulation dimmer, so it doesn't heat up very much, and you know, doesn't waste a lot of energy. And it cost, I ordered this from China on eBay, and it cost maybe, I think it cost $250 or something like that. Okay, so I can adjust the brightness, and then if we look here, all right, this is the wires coming in from the strip. Okay, so this is the strip, and then here's the positive, which I just used. This is a 3 amp, it's a 12 volt 3 amp DC power supply, so I just stripped it back and used that. Okay, so I can use this and adjust the brightness. Got a little handle right there, and then there you go. It puts in a nice, it's not such a yellow light. See, like we got this sort of yellowish light that we see right now. This gives you a much nicer color of a light. See that? You go from this. Oh well, I'm gonna have to do a different kind of demo. So let me set that up. But basically, that's the deal, right? So you can hold it up and get yourself some good light for whatever. You know, maybe you want to look at a wall and you want to say, hey, I want everyone to see all the dirt on that wall and all the places where it's been knocked around. Well, hey, now you got some light and you can do that. Excellent. Let me try it out. All right, here is a test. Now, this is using standard incandescent type lights. You see how yellow it is? All right, now we're taking a look at the next project that I'm working on, a little server to play internet radio. Okay, cheap little server. We'll get to that in maybe the next video or the next one after that. But anyway, okay, so now I'm going to turn on some light, or I'm going to turn on my light bar. Look at that, way better. Okay, so here's no light bar. Here's the light bar. No light bar and light bar. Oh, that's awesome. It's going to do so much better, and it eliminates a lot of shadow because it's bringing light in from everywhere. You know, you're getting light from every direction. Okay, that's it. I got about, I don't know, I probably got less than $10 invested in this, just using for the parts that I bought and the things I already had. And look how much better that looks compared to this. Going to be using this thing all the time, or some version of it. Excellent.